Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You begin by gathering the Word files you will merge. Make sure they are docx or doc and accessible. Once your files sit in one folder and are named in the order you want, open Word and create a new blank document. You will insert the others into this file, so position the cursor where the first insertion should land. Make sure to save this new file with a clear name. This prevents accidental overwrites and gives you a restore point. You now insert the documents one by one using Insert Object Text from File or a similar merge command. Once done, scan the combined document for header, footer, and section break conflicts. Make sure to decide whether to keep each header/footer or replace them. Also reconcile styles. Apply consistent normal and heading styles so formatting stays uniform. If page numbering restarts, adjust sections. Use find and replace for unwanted blank lines to tidy the flow. You finish by saving the merged document under a new name and creating a backup copy. Once complete, review page numbers, table of contents, and cross-references. Update fields with Control plus a then F9. If formatting looks off, remove unnecessary section breaks or reapply styles to affected paragraphs. One key troubleshooting tip: if content disappears or images are missing, check whether files were linked rather.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.